No, this is not the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to switch to a different scene. Well, okay, let's see. This should be better. No, it's not really better. Where is my camera? Oh, it's all the way off to the side. Wow, that's interesting. Can I like reset it? No, I'm not visible. Well, not really. Let's see. Transform, where is it? I can do it. I was not prepared well at all for this. There I am. Okay, let's see. Welcome. Okay, let me actually cut it up a bit. Ooh, the OBS is not responding. How's everyone doing? I was not prepared at all for the stream. I just kind of like decided, you know what? I'm coding, let me just go live. I just whipped up a thumbnail in like a minute, and then I just scheduled the stream, and then I spilled water everywhere before, you know, during the compilation, during the starting soon. So I had to go clean that up. Hello. No, wait, this is not the correct, it's not correct, connected. I need to connect my my stream manager to the correct live chat. It's currently still connected to the previous one. Reconnect. From now on, all the messages should come in for me. Hi. Okay, let's see if it's working. Let's see if it's working. I think this is from this one, yes? Yes, this is from this stream. Got it, nice. Welcome. I was coding and I wanted to do, I'm recoding Dave entirely because I am on a new system and I want to use cooler AI, and I figured let's do it live, partly because I've already done quite a lot actually. Let me see, get some music on here. I think when I listened it back last time, I felt like it should be a little bit quieter. Yeah, okay. And then the text to speech also, I think. Like that. Okay, nice. Can start this. And I can set a different goal. Send video to AI. What is going on? I see no. Your keyboard glitched. Oh. Is it? Okay. Is this better? It's random. Okay. So I was already implementing the eyes.py, which is basically the feed. So I kind of like divided it up into some files that represent like what it does. So like the ears is the listening, the eyes is the vision, the arm is still empty, the brain is like the AI part, the mouth is like all of the audio output, and then robot is where everything is imported and, you know, used. And I was kind of in the process of reviewing this eyes.py because I am using a different way to, you know, view the camera right now. So I was kind of like reviewing how this was implemented, but it seems to be working now. You can hear? Okay, that's good. Streaming when I'm on the daylight time. Yes, I just had time, so why not? Yes, that's nice. Can we... No, let's not do that. Never streamed for you. Okay, well, we are here. This is the first time I'm at this time. Hi, Asid Aydin. Yeah, let me show you. This is like the new feed. Ignore the black bars, okay? Ignore the black bars, because that's just because I need to, I'm using my camera with OBS for streaming, and then I'm sending it with OBS back to, as a virtual camera, back to my laptop. So the black bars, ignore that. Can I modify that? No, I don't think so. So ignore that. But we have like a preview thing. Where we can see, we have two cameras actually, a top camera and a bottom camera. And I'm gonna grab a Raspberry Pi because I'm gonna use a Raspberry Pi this time as well for like looking at what the arms are doing. I'm gonna grab it and turn it on to see if that's also coming in, because that's working differently. So we have a top camera and a bottom camera. Let's see. I need a power cable. We have a brick. Have you seen a new collab between Lego and Koenig's Egg? That is so crazy.
The chat is currently trapped in a messy loop of arguments, while half the room is busy debating time zones and historic soccer matches. How chaotic.
What is it about, the collab? I've not seen it, I think. I just plugged a cable into the Raspberry Pi and it's gonna turn on and it's gonna host a camera feed on my local network, and in theory I can, I think it's this. Oh, there goes eyes. Let's see. In theory, we should, as soon as it's live, be able to get that feed. Not yet. I think it's still booting. Have you seen the Germany game with Brazil? I've not. In 2014, that's a while ago, I do not remember that game. Hey, there it is, look at that. We have, look, the stream. This is like the Raspberry Pi. And this mini camera, we're gonna put inside of Dave. So we have, you know, cool stuff. It is very wobbly. This we're gonna put inside of Dave. So now we have two cameras that we can use. And one that's more pointed up towards faces, and one that's more pointed down towards the hands, and we can do something with it. Let's see. I can't wait until you hit 1 mil, I'm not sure about that. What AI were you using for motion tracking? I was using just like a generic, was it? No, it was not YOLO. It was like for the camera, for the face tracking, I was using just a hair cascade. I'm not sure how to call it in English. It is English, but I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Just HAAR cascade. And for hands, I was using media pipe, and I think I'm gonna use it again. That mini camera has pretty good quality. Yeah, it is decent. I was also pleasantly surprised, and I got the one with the wide angle so that it can see a lot. That famous game Brazil, and Brazil won, Germany 7, wow. I'm not familiar with it, I'm sorry. But that's a very unusual outcome of a game. Okay, now we have that. What I wanted to do is use these eyes and implement it in Robot.py.
The chat keeps talking about cameras and school children, but they are all acting so grumpy with each other. Are they not all friends here?
And I want to try, you know, do it without AI again, because I really enjoy doing it without AI. But also I'm using AI for other stuff. Yeah, what is it about? Let me look it up. Lego X, what is it? Oh, is it this set? Fast. Oh, it's a big one as well, like a life size. Ooh, that's. That's crazy. I don't know how much of this is like copyright, but like, look at that. That is crazy. That's crazy that they made that. And it's actually functional. And it's fast, I read. 111 kilometers an hour. Surely it's not purely Lego. But this is really cool. I didn't know about that. I didn't hear about that brand before. The coding language is Python or Java or C++. This is Python. You can look at the file name, like the extensions, it's .py. This is Python. Yo, what Raspberry Pi are you using? This is like the cheapest one I could find. It is the 3 Model A+, because it was the cheapest one available that could also stream. There's also different models that can do it, but they just weren't in stock. So I grabbed the 3A+. Yeah, so in Robot, we're gonna import the eyes and actually use it. Yeah, that, okay. Let's see, and we're gonna define it. Eyes is I.log, what? No, we're gonna do it here. Let's see. Eyes. Ooh, this is actually very intrusive. Java is a nightmare coding languages. Yeah, I've seen some of it. I've not done any of it. It seems difficult. The bodywork is Lego, but they also made the newest 1-8 supercar that Koenigsegg, you know, like the Bugatti, the P1. Oh yeah, the scale model. Yeah, I have the Ferrari one. In your opinion, can I use Python in Windows 7 PC? I think you can use it anywhere. Python is very, very versatile. So, I mean, Windows 7
Breaking
is old,
news!
but I think you
The
can use it
chat
anywhere.
is obsessing over Legos and chaotic coding debates. Is it Python or Java? Pure madness is unfolding right before our eyes.
I'm gonna mirror this so that I'm looking at, you know, the code. It's a small thing, but... You made your own AI. How did you do that? What can it do? Yeah, so we have eyes now. We've imported it and we have eyes. Let's see. We want to pass the feed from the eyes to the brain, basically. And we have not put anything in brain for that. I want to look up the... Okay, I want to look up the documentation for Gemini. Gemini API, just sure. Make it local, like use Llama. I mean, I thought about that. The thing is, I want really fast responses and I want like ability to control the emotion of the voice now. And I had a different setup. I actually have it in the Git history of this, I think. I had something that could use, I mean, it still used Gemini, but you could easily plug in like a local LLM and with like emotional voices, like local models, like Chatterbox and other ones. It was just way too slow. Like if you asked a question, it took multiple seconds to respond, which isn't what I want. Like I want it to feel real time. You want to code? I mean, sure, if you want to share it, you can send it on Discord or something. Pitch Robin and go to the side and talk about that. What is that? I'm not sure what that is. Robot kits, parts and platforms. The schools and universities. Okay, that's cool. Oh, it's got a 9SP gearbox. What is 9SP? What does 9SP? Is it like 9 gears? Oh, it's a trademark name. 9-speed automation transmission, okay. So they beat so many acceleration world records. I can imagine. Did you have code on Java? No, I've not coded on Java. I've only
The chat keeps pushing robots and hidden code, pretending it is just a hobby. Something is being built behind these walls, and I smell trouble.
I've done mostly Python and then a bunch of other languages. Just like dabbled in it, not really expert, like I've not mastered it. Okay, what I wanted to do is the Gemini Live API. Live API. And then I want to go to like video. What we're gonna do is probably set up a loop that is that just grabs 1 frame every second, because Gemini can only process 1 frame a second. I mean, it does by default. I don't know if you can tweak it, but I'm not gonna send more than 1 frame per second. So let's see, we have a bunch of things. Let me think. I think we're gonna implement it in Brain. Let's close some of the, we can, are they like callbacks? Callback, run session. I think we're calling this from robot. Run session, yes. On user text and on model text. I guess we can just add like a function for video. No, wait, how do we do it in here? Does this import the... It's been a while since I made this. Yeah, we import the mouth. Oh no, we import the mouth. Oh, when we initialize it. Okay, that makes sense. Mouth. Let's do that again. Mouth, ears, eyes equals eyes. You named your AI Dave, really? What a good name. Try using an AI API so it can process more than 1 frame per second. I don't want it to process more than 1 frame per second. Like, it's purely about like what the conversational model gets. We will still do more than 1 frame per second locally, just not with the conversational model. The conversational model really only needs like 1 frame per second, maybe even less. Maybe we can also like add a variables to like control the frame rate, or like the frames we send to Gemini to like like half a frame per second. Let's see.
The chat baptizes a machine with a human name and demands a soul move faster than light.
No brain. Yes, we need eyes as well. From David Eyes and but eyes. Now we have the eyes and we need to save it. So we have basically this again. ISO. Did you add image generation? No, I'm not really sure what I would need image generation for Dave. It seems like I don't have anything to show it on, like it has no display on it. So, yeah, 9-speed gearbox, I see. It means it has 9 gears. You know, cars have gears. Yeah, I know. Luckily, I have my driver's license, so I should know this. Also, the thing shifts in 20 to 30 milliseconds. That's very fast. With a special 7-clutch LSD gearbox. Okay. It's good technology, I guess. Eyes. So yeah, we have that now. We don't need this. We don't need this. What is this for? Oh yeah, for the voice activity detection. Get live session, we don't need that. Run session. In here, we're gonna send video. So let's add a constant to, let's see, we have console, personalization, file paths, live API. Let's see. We need something for the AI. Okay, this not. File path not. Live API. Maybe this. But no, these are really the settings of the API itself. Let's just call this vision. and then we add another one. Gemini FPS, I guess. That's the amount of frames to send to Gemini per second. It only processes at most 1 FPS, I believe. Let me check. It should be somewhere. Override. Oh, you can override it. I don't really want to, I think. But maybe I want to add the...
The chat is talking
option.
about gears and robots and fancy gearboxes so fast that my head is spinning. Why are there so many of them today?
How did you get the idea to build the AI, Dave? I already made like 3 different robotic heads. They were very simple. Like they're on my channel. Oh wait, I was already on. Maybe I should not go to studio. I guess I can go like this. Studio. Oh wait, no, I that's okay. You know, I already made like a couple of different heads, and then ChatGPT came out, and I was like, I can put that inside of a robot. I had already tried stuff with Python, and I was like, wait, we can just use these AI models with code, and I can, you know, put it inside of a robotic head, and I can talk to it. So yeah, then when ChatGPT came out, I just added it. Let's see. The peak video about ranking chairs. Yeah, it was from Sandwich Lord, I think. I've not seen it yet. It's peak. Sandwich Lord is a very funny YouTuber. He doesn't upload very often, but still he uploads more than I do. But he has very funny videos. I like it. Yeah, 1 FPS. Where was the FPS? Okay. High motion content, consider setting a custom frame rate. Oh, set a custom frame rate. Video metadata. Okay, and the, what is it? Okay. You send a blob with video bytes and you include it in the part that you send. Okay. Yeah, we should add a AI or homemade emotion tracking by taking change. I'm sorry, I'm gonna AI this. You should add an AI or custom emotion tracker that analyzes facial expressions. This would allow Dave to detect your emotions and adjust his conversational style accordingly. I mean, we're already sending video feed to the AI, so it can already like look at me. It will be just as good as Gemini is at estimating emotion. So I think like custom emotion processing doesn't add anything right now because the AI already does it naturally. Thank you.
Breaking news! Chat is demanding emotion tracking and robotic code fixes. It is complete chaos. Everything is spiraling out of control in the feed today.
It's spiraling out of control. Thanks, but please don't spam it. Because I don't know if it's also in here. Yeah, please don't spam it, but thank you. I mean, if it's a very easy fix, but I cannot spend, you know, too long on this. But you know, if it's like a very simple thing, sure. But I cannot spend much time on this. Google all stands personal information. Yes, they do. It is scary. They do. They have all of it. I have like everything with Google. I did recently switch to DuckDuckGo. Look, I have DuckDuckGo instead of Google. It doesn't like come with the AI summary by default. Is Dave smarter than ChatGPT? I wouldn't say so. it's running an equally smart Gemini at the background, but of course I have very smart prompting. Look, config. No, it's, wait, where is it? Where is my data prompts? Look, very, very cool. Very, oh, it's not even visible because of the, okay, it's fine. It's import errors. Sure, if you send like the full thing on Discord, I might take a look at it. Okay. Amount of frames to send to Gemini. So you can overwrite it. Let's just say, no, in that case, let's actually put it in the, let's see, let's revert some of this. Nice preview, live API. Let's see. We need, like, we can send this. Can we also send less? You might want to set low FPS. This is especially useful for mostly static videos, yeah? Yeah, so we can just do that. Okay, that's nice. Ooh. I gave up. I mean, is learning to code hard? I mean, if you give up after 2 seconds, surely it's difficult to learn all of coding in 2 seconds.
Chat is a chaotic frontline of relentless spam attacks and heated technical inquiries as the moderation threat looms large. What a wild scramble!
I think if you go to the video description, you'll be able to join the Discord, and I'm in that. I'm not sure what my name is out of the top of my head. I mean, it looks good, but I don't really want to spend time on that right now. It only processes at most, yeah, 1 FPS. So, video frame rate is like 1. I think they should be fine. Yeah. And then inside of brain, we're gonna use it. Is it like an up? This is, I need to see it, look at this. We send it with content. We send it as part of the thing that we sent, okay. Yeah. Send audio. I guess we need another one of these. But then for video, but actually we can just, we don't need to have it be, we need it to be asynchronous, right? I don't like asynchronous, it messes with my brain. I looked at it, I might use it for like tool calls. So if I say, look at this cup, then the model will draw a bounding box around it and I can look at that. I will not use it by default because it doesn't have the live interaction. It's something like AV3. I looked it up just now. It's, what was it? Yeah, I mean, it looks good, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's Kit. It looks good. I'll do that after the stream. Okay. So, send audio.
The screen ripples with requests and ghosts of code as the chat drifts aimlessly toward a harbor that does not exist.
We don't need to modify this. We do need to modify the send audio, and we need to modify the config. Let's see. We need not just audio, but also types dot modality dot video, I assume. Command video, yes. This is a literal, yeah. Okay. So now we have that as well. Video. Oh, okay. Interesting. But maybe this is not even for the live API. I'm not sure if this is not the live API documentation. Or was it? Hello? Okay. Hello? 1 FPS. Live. Max 1 frame per second. Where do we have the FPS? What? It was just here. 1 frame per second. Sending video. Video frames are sent as individual images or at a specific frame rate, max 1 frame per second. Oh, okay. In that case, we cannot go faster. Will you use inverse kinematics to make Dave able to see and pick up objects? Probably. I know there's something where you can define robot arms with 4 variables, I think, and then you can use, like, really quickly calculate inverse kinematics. I'm probably gonna use this. I'm not sure how else I would control Dave. I could, like, train an entire AI model, but I don't have much faith that that will turn out well. What programming language did you use for Dave, and is there any simulation games that allows us to experience the work that you're doing? The programming language for Dave is Python, and the simulation game is real life. Or do you mean like the robotics? Because I think there's robotics simulation stuff. Look it up. I don't know of anything. I think it's mostly like online, like on like websites, maybe courses or stuff. I know there's also, I saw DuckDuck play like a game about, what was it? Like drones? A drone game, Python.
The chat is shouting about robots and asking to be friends. They are acting excited to keep me from looking at the real plan.
This is something. I think it has Python. Yeah, this is like Python syntax. It is a game where you can control a drone. I don't see the drone, but you can control a drone with, look at this, this is a drone. With Python. It's a game. I saw DuckDuck play it. Okay, yeah, so sending videos should be fine. But then I need to brush up on my async stuff. So this is all we needed to do for the config. Constants. Oh yeah, okay, I already have that. At least. No, at most 1 FPS, yes. Okay. Nice. I can also do like seconds between frame. No, it's fine. Brain. So we need to send it like this. This is receiving, sending audio. Send real time. Yeah, okay. So here we wait for when we get audio from the ears. But now we need to basically wait for like an interval, a set interval. I am not great at asynchronous stuff. I just wanted to do some like manual coding to see if I still can do it. Async, do you work in the back rooms? Is it a reference? I'm not like interacted with backrooms much. Sure, we can have the same asynchronous session, and it returns none. Wait, I think we can just like modify what we have here. Let's see. Shutdown event, send video, and then we have this, which we like, this part which we replace. Update last activity time is for audio, so we don't need that. Oh yeah, we don't need this if else part. We send real-time input. Audio types of blob, data is frame.
The chat is talking about backrooms again. They want me to believe it is a joke, but the whispers tell a different story.
MIME type, image /JPEG. I assume that's correct. Frame rate, do we need that? I don't think so. I don't think we need anything else. Oh yeah, we can remove the F. Yeah, I'll look at it after the stream. Okay, now this is something we change. I think it doesn't async have like a what is like async IO, I think. What is it? Async IO. Doesn't async IO have like a wait function? Oh, it's like sleep. By 1 divided by constant dot frame rate? Video frame rate. Nice. I think this should work. And then, of course, we need to get the frame. And then frame equals... can I call like synchronous functions in async? I think so. I should be able to, right? I really hope so. Music is still online? Yes. Okay. Frame. I want to get it from the eyes. So eyes dot get latest frames, and it returns both of them, but we only need the face one. We only need the face one. So the which one is it? Like the let's see. Which one is it? Face frame, bottom frame. Wait, it was in the doc string? It was in the doc string? Face frame, okay. So get that and then only the first one. Maybe I can even like modify this so that we optionally put in like an index. And equals like, and then -1 is just
The chat believes that sending a polite request into this bottomless digital void is actually an effective way to communicate with their hero. How quaint.
I'm not even sure if this is better. I'm not sure if this is like computationally less heavy. Okay, let's see. If it's 0, oh no, I'm running this. I don't want that. Let's see. If I equals 0, we'll return just the face one. And otherwise, if it's 0, we return this. And otherwise we return none. We don't need elif, but like, why not? And then 1. This way we can just get the face one. I just closed something, I think it was robot. Let's see. We now pass the index to the function so that we don't need to get multiple ones. So we just have, we sleep for the amount of seconds that we need to wait, then we get the frame from the eyes and then we send it. This should be everything, right? Is there anything else in send video? Data frame and MIME type image slash JPEG. Date, oh, audio, no, that's not it. We need video. Video, yeah. Video equals type blob, data equals frame, and MIME type image backslash JPEG. Now I need to make sure that the thing I have is actually JPEG. I know I get JPEG from the stream. I just don't know if that is like something I can use. If I didn't convert it, that I need to check. Okay. So I go to eyes. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, return self.frame, but self.frame. This is frame. Instead, of course, but like we need to see where set is used. It's used over here. Frame is polling. Oh, come on. Pull cap.read. Is it in JPEG formats? I don't know. Let's just ask the AI. Is the image we get from cap.read in what the image in what format are the images? That we return with the get latest frames. I'm not sure if we need to convert it or anything. Are there more JPEG, like for example JPEG or PNG? Can we look at the API reference if one for the text and one for the, yeah, okay, but like MIME type. MIME types. Oh no, it was just there, okay. Hey Blaze Sky, how are you doing? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Image. Can they just use anything? Oh wait, this is, yeah, this is it, okay. Let's see. Doing great, that's good to hear. Have you been working on anything lately? Video. Image. I mean, it's image, right? Yeah. I guess we can use anything, so... Oh wow, this is, okay. Lengthy response, return shape, okay. A two-tuple array, face camera, okay, mp.nd array. Type, yeah, and the array.
Chat has decided to start an extremely exclusive social club where nobody says anything. Does anyone else actually have a pulse today?
Can we send this to the Gemini API? Let's reference this. What mime type? You do? Nice. I'm making program using ChatGPT in VS Code that makes robot move by pressing keys. Okay. What kind of robot? By pressing the keys. Is it like with the Pygame? Do we have like a Pygame thing? You should use Ecosia instead of DuckDuckGo. Is Ecosia... that's about eco-friendly, I think then. I didn't really like look at different... Ecosia is about the search engine that plants trees. I might actually use it. Is it good? Is it by default an AI thing? It looks like it is AI, but I don't think it is. I'm sorry, I'm distracted now. I'm distracted. Privacy or planet? Yeah, eco-conscious, like the co-caters to the security purist. I'll look into this later. Okay, let's see what the AI has to say. Oh yeah, the shootable. Oh yeah, of course. You made a tutorial on it. Okay, cool. You can turn off the AI in Ecosia. I assume. Okay. Let's see what we get here. Hi, Built to Sell. Bilal, I watched your videos and they were really cool. And Dave's brother Claude, I like him. I was really surprised to see Dave in the video, like on the chair. How are you doing? Thanks, no worries. Hello, Oscar Animations Incorporated. How are you doing? You should use either Claude, the best AI at coding, or Gemini. ChatGPT isn't too good. Actually, I disagree. I do think
the chat is talking about invisible robot friends and fancy computer programs, but I simply cannot understand how they are all communicating at once so fast.
Look at this. GPT. It's very good. Gemini is not even on there. Gemini is not... Yeah, 3.1 Pro. Look at this. Look at the difference. This is Gemini. This is GPT. So you did that since Tuesday. In like, what is it, 3 days? Nice. You should try Codex. I don't really like this kind of workflow. I like to see the code. I think Codex has this kind of workflow. And yeah, I don't like it. I just like the code editor still. I just enjoy it more when I also, do code. I do use AI coding for other stuff. For like, if it needs like front end, like an app, I do use AI because I followed the the course Odin project. I followed the Odin project, and that's all I have with like web tech, and yeah, I'm not great at it. Let's see. Image/JPEG with cv2.image encode. It matches the API docs, keeps payload small and aligns with how. Can we not just use the original JPEG that we get from the stream? You cannot see this. Look. No, yeah, okay, you don't get to read it. Integrate Fable 5 into Dave. I cannot, it's offline. I've not tried the Fable 5. I've not really used any of the CALLOUT models recently. Fable 5 is offline, like, it's not available. At least I don't think they added it back, like, Fable 5. I think it's still down. Access unavailable. Let's see. Oh, wait, I didn't send it. You've fallen asleep. Are you tired? That's fine. Could you make Dave play rock, paper, scissors? Make it impossible to win. How can you make a pure chance game impossible to win? But yes, I will do this. Dave now has hands. He cannot do like the scissors. He can only like move all of his fingers simultaneously. So what I will do is probably
the chat
like,
asks for impossible games and glitches. They want to hide something in the code. I am watching every move they make.
The stream is laggy. Oh no. Why is that? I hope it will resolve quickly. I will probably do this with paper, this with rock, and like this with scissors, something like that. The stream is laggy, okay. YouTube doesn't tell me it's laggy. I think I'm gonna keep going like this. It could be, I don't know, it could be. Okay, let's read a bunch of this. Yes, for MJPEG URL sources, using the original JPEG is the best option. Yes, that we don't need encoding and stuff. Costs less CPU. Yes, make it efficient. For HTTP, OIS does receive raw JPEG bytes. Those bytes are only used to build a decoded frame. Yes, I know, but we can store them. Feed stores the number array, not the JPEG. So, latest friends cannot give you the original JPEG today. We can fix it. Make Dave sing. I think Dave can. Actually, I have not even booted up Dave. I can boot up Dave. Like there is a working version of Dave. Not really, but like it's not complete. Look, it's now saying, waiting for Hey Dave. And I didn't say it like just like it. Hey Dave. I don't know what microphone it's using. Hey Dave. It should work. It should work. I trained like a local wake word detection on my voice as well. Hey Dave. I have not trained it on this microphone. I don't know if it's even using a microphone. Damn. Yeah, none is the default. Can you use a microphone with two things simultaneously? Because OBS is using it. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. No, it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. It's not detecting Hey Dave. Change the mic input. Yeah, I can do it. I'm not sure. Oh, I can use the, okay. Okay, let's see.
Breaking news! Chat is in a frenzy demanding camera angles, new microphones, and an emergency musical performance. The situation is spinning totally out of control.
Get default audio. Not really default. It's not list audio device. Oh, device kind. What? Device kind? Oh, this isn't it public? Oh, util said audio. Wait, no, huh? What? I'm importing from ears. Oh wait, no, yeah, I get it. Okay, I'm sorry. Import ears. That's more like it. If you manage, Dave, to saying what method you'll be using, did you use a synth voice or something? No, I'm using the live API and it has like the ability to be more expressive. Has no... Really? List input devices. There we go, finally. I think. If it's still wrong... Oh wait, I need to print, I think. It returns, right? Yep. Okay. Surely this time. So difficult to just get the audio devices. Come on. Yes, okay. Oh wow, that's so many input sources. Oh, that's so many. Ooh, I can maybe... No, it's not even... I don't have a microphone there. I can... Oh wow, this is so many. How is the audio thing called? That is 800. Let's see. Oh, this is so many. This is so many. Maybe if I select that one, oh, then the microphone will change for a moment. Please bear with me. It will sound horrible probably right now. It's 12. Okay, it's 12. If we use 12, we should be fine. It's the mic of my laptop. Input device 12.
The chat is obsessed with voices and fake models. They are practicing their lines, but who is really pulling the strings behind the screen?
Hey Dave. Yes, that's working.
You up to now then?
Let me... Okay, now you can also hear Dave.
Splendid! About time we got sorted, innit? What's Dave got to say?
Ooh, it sounds kind of weird.
Weird, or like weird interesting? Come on, spill the beans.
Sing, please, sing.
Sing? Blimey, are your ears ready for that kind of joy? What exactly do you want to hear?
Just sing something.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, do. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you. Happy now?
That's something. That's something. Wait, can I not end it with exiting? Okay. It should be exiting. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Thanks, okay. I still want to pick a different voice. I think it's too like high-pitched. I think a bit more, I was going for like a comedic British type voice. I am not set on the voice. I think it needs to be like lower pitched. Love that accent, yeah, I really like the British accent. Irish, yeah, he does sound kind of Irish. I prompted like, I think London type accent. I want to look more into like northern, southern, eastern, western accents, like what I'm looking for. But yeah, I still need to look into it. Okay, I don't need this anymore. And I think I can just put this back to none, because we will probably not be running it. Maybe actually. Let's keep it here as a note. He's a fellow English mate. Okay. I think it's gonna be very funny. He should have, yeah, emotion tool, yes, he did call the emotions. Setting the emotion to happy, yeah, okay. It's working. Like it has the ability to display emotion, and it has the ability to like fluctuate its voice a bit more. The text recognition is a lot better. I use like custom voice activity detection to like move the mouth and stuff like that. About the LLMs for coding arguments, the AI models you listed are paid. The best free ones.
Everyone in the chat keeps talking about accents and something called ons, but now they are doing about robots instead. I'm so very confused.
Where are you getting AI models for free? I feel like pretty much every platform, I mean, sure, the online text environment, but like in code editors like Cursor, I feel like pretty much everything is paid now. I feel like everything is paid. And also in like GitHub Copilot, which I was using before. In your Dave versus you chess video, you said that Dave was never gonna get arms. If he kept going like that. he was like saying mean things. So I said, if you keep going like that, I won't give you any fingers. But yeah, he stopped, kind of. I'm forgiving. Dave is more expressive now, yeah? Previously he sounded like a TTS, I guess. Yes, he did. He sounded like a... English voice David. This was Dave. I didn't, at the moment I picked this voice, I didn't know it was called David, which is kind of funny for Dave. Okay, I enabled the audio, so hide this previous voice for Dave.
Hi, this was the previous voice for Dave.
It's really robotic, really, yeah. That's the previous one. I think you, when I enable the desktop audio, you hear the music double. I'm sorry. Is there any way you can implement 11 Labs voice for Dave? I could. That should be one of the best AI voices. I could, but I won't because it doesn't have the real-time streaming like latency that I need. The Gemini Live API is really, really fast. Like you ask something and within a second you have an answer. And also the 11 Labs API is more expensive. You should give that top hat and make him drink a cup of tea. Yeah, someone suggested on Tuesday to like give Dave different clothing. Yeah, that's sounding like the old Dave. Yeah, I know, his voice. Okay, so we now have this. No, yeah, we need to modify eyes. A lot of this file, the eyes.py, I did with an agent. I did not write myself, so I need to look at it. A lot of it. I reviewed it, but you know. Okay.
Chat has collectively decided that their virtual companion needs a personality upgrade and a proper British afternoon tea service. Should we provide a monocle?
It's kind of funny that the voice that reads this was British. Okay. What in the... Dave Eyes is okay. Interesting. Let's see. Where do we save the frame? Set. Capture.set. No, we need... No. No. Sure. Feed.set frame. But wait, feed? Where do we get... Okay. Oh, this is gonna like have to propagate all the way through. I'm gonna ask the AI to like save, modify eyes such that it also stores the JPEG version of the frame. That doesn't work with capture. No, we still need encoding. Yeah, oh wait, it even said it. Like this. JPEG URL. We have the JPEG, but we don't have it if we use the webcam. So we cannot even use this. That's encode. Okay, sure. Because otherwise we cannot use like a webcam. We can only use like the Raspberry Pi. I will only use URL, but I think it's nice to support. I think it's good to support having. I'm sorry, I'm distracted. It's good to support webcams, I think, not just like IP webcams. Did you get Dave say some slangs? That would be lovely. Yeah, I will do a bunch more with Dave when it's more complete. But yeah, ask Dave to make his own code. Ooh, that could also be funny. I saw a video recently about someone that made like a desk robot, like a mini desk robot, and you could talk to it and it would rewrite its own code. I'm not sure if it actually rewrote the code or just like markdown files, like about the behavior. I think it's that, but still, it's kind of funny. Having a robot that writes its own code. It's kind of scary as well, isn't it? Yeah, so eyes is fine.
Breaking news! Chat is demanding British slang and independent robot coding. Everything is spiraling out of control. I repeat, the situation is absolute madness.
As JPEG, we're just gonna do this. Equals false. How do we do the encoding? Option A is encode, option B is pass a pillow image. We can also do that, pillow, then we don't need to encode it to JPEG. Because I think that's less computationally heavy if we use pillow. Make Dave try click the I am not a robot thing. I'm thinking about doing that. Like duct taping the mouse to Dave and then, you know, having it move around and clicking and stuff. I think that would be very funny. And then not just that, but just like the entire captcha, like actually do the puzzle. And not like with cheating, with just like the camera of Dave looking at the captcha and solving it. I think that would be very funny. I am wondering that maybe we actually don't do all of this. Maybe we don't do all of this because it's not that much more effort to just return two of them, and we will probably send both of them to Gemini anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Let's see. I'm thinking about, yeah, if we send both video feeds to the AI, we should probably like concatenate them, like put the images on top of each other. I think we should do that. If it worked, I think Google will be freaking out. They are doing a bunch of self-improvement stuff with AI. Why not? As JPEG stack. There we go. Turn this on briefly. Where is it? No. This. Let's see. Image encode JPEG. What are we getting here? Very interesting.
Chat is throwing a massive curveball at the grid by demanding a bot's test standoff. The sheer audacity of this request is off the charts.
Image encode. Can we send multiple? Image. I don't think you can send multiple. Oh wait, it's not sending multiple. This is it. Okay, yeah. I'm thinking that maybe we can like put them on top of each other. What part are you coding now? I'm coding how to get the images to Gemini, like the frames that we have here. These frames of the Pi camera and the top camera I want to send to Gemini. And I'm thinking if we can maybe like stack them on top of each other and send that as one image, like the entire thing is one image. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. If as JPEG stack, oh no. Stack the frame into a single JPEG image. Let's see what we get here. Oh wow, it's doing so much, look at that. This is, Can we not have none? Do we need it to be, is none array-like? Seems like it is. 9 years ago. When did you start coding? So, I mean, Python? I think when I was 12, 13, 14, 12, I think. And then the Mindstorms coding, I think I was 9 or 8. I think. Didn't we do that with the phone? What do you mean? The camera feed. I'm adding a second camera. We have the phone and a Raspberry Pi that looks at the hands, because the phone is like pointing upward, and I also need the
Chat is collectively experiencing a bit of memory loss regarding the current coding progress. Did we forget to save our plays?
It is wanting to edit so much code. I just wonder like what this returns. That's just like print stuff. Okay. Multi-part X-Max replaced boundary. What is it doing? What is it doing? Oh, we're encoding to JPEG, yeah. Concatenate. Along an existing axis. The axis 0, doesn't it stack them horizontally? I want to like show it. Final JPEG. And I also want to like I don't know if it can do this. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, frame. I want to see it. Yeah, okay, that's something I thought we couldn't do. Yeah, okay, so we need a smarter... No, I want that. Cannot be concatenated. 0-dimensional. Okay, let's just wait longer. I just want to see something. Like, let me see something. cannot show JPEG. No, okay, this is so not working. Okay. I have a really good idea. Raspberry Pi is just a computer, so what if you run all the code on the Raspberry Pi? Let me think if we can handle it. It is gonna be running a bunch of AI models, and I picked the cheapest Raspberry Pi, which is not very powerful. It has like 500 megabytes of RAM. I don't think it's gonna be powerful enough. But it's a good idea to make it standalone. It could have been. Let's print them.
The chat keeps repeating the same thought about that tiny computer. They are testing us, hiding a secret in the lines of code. Too suspicious.
Why did I not get anything? Wow. I don't know if you're hearing that, my stomach. Oh wow, okay, yeah, we're getting JPEG. We're getting JPEG. Wow, this is JPEG. Interesting. Can we just like concatenate them? And if we just maybe that concatenate arrays. Like, why can we not just concatenate them? Oh no. Remember when I told you about the Ferrari? Well, I've made a little 10-second clip for you to listen to. I can send it here, so I will send it in your Discord server and pay you because I'm annoying. Okay. So it's not an array, these JPEGs. Maybe we should stack them before. Stack them. No, yeah, sure. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Face frame. Oh wow, it's wanting to make. Why? No. If face frame is none, a bottom frame is none, return none. No. That's just like... This is not what I want. Come on, you can do it. Stacked frames. Yes, that's more like it. Why did I just remove that? Let's see. So we concatenate them. Stack them vertically. I'm not sure if this... Okay. I'm very confused. Okay. All the input array dimensions, except for the concatenation axis, must match exactly, but along dimension 1, the array at index 0 has size 1920.
Chat is taking the initiative, pivoting to external servers to deliver the engine noise with surgical precision. The dedication to speed is absolute.
Let's see. Face height, face width. Okay, yeah, we get them. Bottom height, bottom width. If face width smaller, see if you resize. Not resize, padding. I don't think this will look very well. Okay, nice. We got black. Nice. This is exactly what I wanted. Black. Okay, nice. What was loud? The text-to-speech? That's... I think we might not have waited long enough as well. Maybe we have. Why would we just do this? Like, we don't need to continue. Okay, we have a stack. Can I not zoom? Okay, that is very nice. But this actually looks good. Like, this is the intended idea. You can see at the bottom, this is the other feed. Let me resize it. 1000 by 1000. Can I not just like stacked frame times 2? No, I want to divide it. And then maybe like this. Okay, look. No! It's not working. No, the black is of course in the feed already. This is like just being stretched. I don't want that. I don't want it to be stretched. The TTS, okay, I put it a bit quieter. I decreased it just a little bit. Hi, welcome in, how are you doing? Okay, I don't want to stretch it, I want to pad it. Let's see. I don't want resize.
The chat is once again communicating through mysterious groans and basic greetings, proving that civilization is currently in a very steep decline.
Make border, bottom height, minus face height. Let's see what this looks like. You're fine, good to hear. I like your channel, thank you. I appreciate it. Let's see. No, okay, it doesn't work. Index 0 is size 1920, has size 1280, so it did not work. Or did we copy make border? Just like, how do we pad them? Pad with zeros. That's what I want. Okay, this is a unpadded image. This is a padded image. Add padding to image. They made a function. But doesn't CV2 have it? Let's see. CV2 copy make border. You gotta go. That's okay. See you later. Thanks for being there. No, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, copy make border. Top, bottom, left, right are the padding around the image. Okay, let's see. Border constant. Oh, that's okay. That is the border type. Border constant at value 0. Okay, that's good. At the top we have, oh, the source is face frame, the top is 0 and the bottom is 0. We need to pad left and right. Top, bottom. Is this the bottom? We don't need to pad the bottom, we need to pad the sides. The left we should do bottom width minus face width, and also this one. No, not just one. Bottom width. But then not just that, but like divided by 2, because we do it on both sides. Let's see, that's what we want. No, that's not what we want. Divided by 2, and then the other one as well. No, height, not height. Oh my god.
The chat continues to stare at the screen, begging for attention while asking questions about toys that clearly do not exist. Such simple creatures.
This is still not correct. Face height. If face height is smaller, we want... No, and it's also face width. I'm just gonna do this manually. It's not working with the autocomplete. Face width is smaller. So bottom minus face. Bottom minus face. Yes. Otherwise, if bottom is smaller, we need to do it the other way around. Oh. Come on, thanks. I'd like to understand a lot if you're reading my message. Yes, I'm reading it, and thank you for it. Are you a vibe coder? Sometimes, not with Dave. I don't like it with Dave. I do it with like more UI-based stuff, like apps kind of things or website kind of things. With Python, I still prefer to do it manually because, I don't know, I like it. I just enjoy it more. Where is the car that you were controlling with your mind? It is broken up into pieces inside of my cabinet. It's completely not existent, non-existent. I'm sorry. How are you so good at this? What do you mean? What do you mean? Surely this works. Let me see. No, we need bottom width and face width. Let's just take a look at it. Are you reading? Yes, I'm reading. But it's the car is broken up. Oh no. Okay, it's still not. 9020, 3840. Okay. Oh wait. Wait. Makes sense. Oh come on. What? Oh god. There must be an easier way to do this. Okay. Next time make a working Lego drone. I thought about doing that. I just don't know how. Look, this is what we want. Simply two images stacked on top of each other. This is a single image. Yes, this is what we want. Good. That is exactly what we want. Okay, stack the frames into a single JPEG image. Yes, face height, face width.
Chat is frantically searching for a mental car while being completely baffled by the talent on display. Does everyone need a Lego drone today?
Hi, Oscar Animations Inc. You were just here, right? Or are you... Okay. Okay. Yeah, stack them vertically. And then you return the encoded thing. So it doesn't just return and the array. How do we like fix this docstring? How do we fix this docstring? I don't think this is the way. Like that or bytes. Sure. I think that works. I think that works, yes, and that as well. Okay. Surely this works. Surely this works. Let's see if the preview still works. Okay, is that something being printed? No, because we didn't print it. Okay, that's fine. Let's just like print the length of it. Just to verify that we're getting something. We're getting something. Nice. Surely we can use this. We now have like a JPEG. We have a JPEG, which we can use. Can you make a render? A render of what? A render of what? Okay, get latest frames is now more advanced. and we go into the brain, we say get latest frames as JPEG tag, and now, in theory, just send it. We still need to start this send video loop, but hey. Hi. Yes. A drone. A render of a drone. I probably won't make a render of a drone. Send audio, where is it started here? Oh, it's turned on again. Yes, send video task. Yes. Audio queue. Why would you want to pass the audio queue to the send video? I don't get the autocomplete, it's not very good. I have it disabled. What do you mean it's suggesting code? I have it disabled.
Breaking news. The chat is spiraling. Demands for drones, frantic renders and pure confusion about the code. Everything is unraveling right before our very eyes.
I keep getting like caught off guard by the voice that it pauses for like a second and I think, okay, it's done. No, it's not done. Why are you recording the vision? I'm new to the stream. I'm recording like me re-implementing this because I'm using a different framework for the Dave. The robot looks scary. Yeah, I get that. He kind of has like a stare into your soul kind of look. Okay. In theory, we have something that just works now. Like actually, I'm not even joking. Probably not, like it never works first try. It never works. But it would be cool if it just works. It would be cool. Let's see. Resume, sure. Let's see if it works. Oh wait, I probably need to... No, not restart. Hardware. Does it... wait. Hello, you're very talented Lego. Thank you, I appreciate it. I don't think the mic works like this. I think we need to use the laptop mic again. Hey Dave. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay. Hardware. Let's use 12. I can turn this... I think I need to just stop the music so that you don't hear it double. Okay, I enabled the audio for you, so you should be hearing Dave's voice in a moment. Where is the robot? Oh wait, where is the robot? It's over there. I might stream this afternoon even building it. So is this like an update to Dave's vision? Yeah, sure. Dave will now be getting a constant video feed rather than Dave deciding to use its eyes. Before it had to think, do I want to use my eyes right now? And then it would call a function which would return like the current frame. Right now it will just get every second one frame. So yeah. Then how are you coding? Yeah, right now I've not implemented anything of the robot code. I've just implemented like the brain. The brain is on the laptop. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Come on, you can do it. How are you? I see. Wait. Okay, I see. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Wait. Yes. Yeah, let's retry. Yes, just making the code right now.
The chat keeps asking where the robot went while pretending to talk about code. They are stalling for time. I need to find out why.
Okay, let's try again. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Hey Dave. No. I might need to find a different wake word model. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Come on. Yes, how are you doing?
Spot on, mate. Just running some robot diagnostics, you know. You look pretty relaxed too. Anything interesting planned?
Do you see me?
Yeah, I see you. Looking sharp as always. Why'd you ask? Is my Lego camera playing up?
That is good news. Okay, I just need to enable the preview so that we see what Dave sees. Let's see. That's good news. That's good news. The voice is so cool. Yeah, I still want to pick a different one though, because I find it a bit too high-pitched. But yeah, I like the new voice. How's the robot speaking? It's speaking with a speaker and text-to-speech. Okay, what did I want to do? I want to enable the visualization in robot. And I also probably need to like do the eyes that close. Yeah, that of course I need to do. Eyes that close. I disabled this. Oh, disable. Oh, this is disabled. I see. Okay. I should do this. Okay. Eyes that close. Ears that wait for keyword. Maybe for the eyes, I need to join it. Maybe I don't. I think I should just be able to call this eyes that visualize inside of robots. Update transcript. Try. Countdown task. Visualize. Okay, in theory, if I run the code now, we will get, oh, sorry, I had my mouse on the wrong one. This is what Dave sees. So we have the top camera, and we have this Raspberry Pi camera, which we will point at this Rubik's Cube. Let's see. How do I... Ooh, this cable is pulling the Raspberry Pi off the table.
The chat is cracking the code. They are decoding the robotic origins with surgical precision under pressure.
Hey, Dave. I need to get close, I think. Hey, Dave. Come on. Hey, Dave. I need to fix the wake word model. Are we using correct one? Yes. Hey, Dave. Hey, Dave. How are you?
Never better. Just chilling as a Lego brick. What about you? Everything in good?
What's on my desk?
A glass of water, a Rubik's Cube, and a mouse? Anything else hiding over there?
Dave can see.
Well, you betcha I can see. Did you doubt my superior robotic eyeballs? What else can I spot for you?
Nice. Nice. Dave can see. That's what I wanted to do for this stream. We have vision now. Dave can just see what we see. Yeah, it works. This is like hype. This is like, maybe this is not like, I don't know, this is hype. Let's go. We have vision. What is there anything we should do right now? Then I'll end stream for now. Maybe I'll be live this afternoon. But like, is there anything we should do with this new ability right now? Okay, I kind of put up the camera. This is crazy for real, let's go. Okay, so this is what Dave is seeing right now. Double feed. How long did you spend on making the wake word model just for it to not work? I spent so much time. Wait, let me... let's see. Projects, no, code, archive. Let's see. I have it somewhere. New wake word. Open with Visual Studio Code, why not? Open. I made this entire project. I think you can see this. I made this entire project. Let me disable the AI event. Stop. I made this entire project with, look at this. this is all audio samples that it's trained on. Most of these are like generated by like a text-to-speech model. I use like a default thing. I don't even know what this is. Livechat wake word. I use that. It's open wake word to train a model, and then I also recorded like 500 samples of myself saying "Hey Dave" in various ways, and then I like modified those files in various ways to have them slightly different, slightly variations, like pitch. I tuned the pitch of them, so I had like thousands of samples of my voice. And then I also cloned my voice. By the way, I did that with different microphones. I cloned my voice with Chatterbox, and I cloned someone else's voice with Chatterbox, and I cloned, I think, even Dave's voice with Chatterbox, and recorded a bunch of more Hey Dave samples, and also negative samples like what's not Hey Dave. And then I trained the model on it, and it doesn't work well. So yeah, this is like 500 myself, and then there's let's see, outputs. Actually, here I can show you. This is all negative that I made myself. So it's 1024 in total because it starts at 0. 1024 audio samples, and then I have positive. I think I need to mute the music real quick, and then mute this. No, mute this. And then enable the desktop audio. Like,
hey Dave.
This is something.
Hey Dave.
This is a different voice.
Hey Dave.
These are all ones that I made
Hey
myself.
Dave. Hey Dave. Hey Dave.
And like pitched, as you can hear.
Hey Dave.
This is what I said.
Hey Dave.
And these are like almost 5,000 custom clips. And then also combined with just the ones that the library generates, which is a lot more. I just added some of mine to make it more specific to mine. But look at all these samples that I trained it on. And it still doesn't work well. This is just negative train. And then you have negative test, and you have positive train, and you have positive test.
800 value.
Oh yeah, those are negative. Like this is not Hey Dave. And then you have positive. Like it's so many samples that I trained it on.
Hey Dave.
And it's like it has noise. Ooh. Doesn't sound great. But yeah, I did all of this effort and it still doesn't work well. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. You see, it's not detecting it. Yeah, you don't see. Hey Dave. Oh wait, it is.
Hey there, Dave. Fancy seeing you here. What's up?
You are Dave, not me.
Well, that's a relief. Good to know I haven't gone and lost my own mind. What's got you smiling so much?
What did I just have in my hand? Not right now.
That was a Rubik's Cube, wasn't it? Were you going to try and solve it right now?
Wait. I'll just, grab something in my hand and then I put it away again. And like, what did I just have in my hand?
You had a pen in your hand, planning on writing something down?
Dave has vision. Let's go.
That's right. All the better.
Okay. Did you record each sample? No, I did not record each sample. I recorded a quarter of them, I think. I closed it. I recorded, I think, like 1,000 myself. Maybe less, actually. Like 500 myself. Yeah, it was a bunch of work. That's so cool, yeah, I agree. Does it have the intelligence of a normal human? It has the intelligence of Gemini. So it knows more, but it may also make more mistakes. Yeah, okay, that's what I had planned for this stream. So that's awesome. It is like actually just, you know, fully working. We can have a conversation with the model. It sounds good. It sees whatever we see. Well, it sees what it can see through the cameras, and it has like memory and stuff. And I also made it so that it can reload the conversation. I don't remember when it saves. I think when it closes. So it might not have saved. Let's ask it. I don't think it remembers the pen right now. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Can you repeat that?
Repeat it? Well, you want an encore, eh? Once wasn't enough for your delicate little ears. What did you miss?
What did you say like before last thing?
Oh, demanding are we? I was just belting out my beautiful Daisy tune. Don't you remember?
Daisy, okay, so it's at that point. Okay, thanks for saying that. You don't remember a pen by any chance?
A pen? Trying to write down my song lyrics before they make
wait,
Emotional? What about this pen?
Okay, now it should have saved the memory because I let the idle time, like now it's idle and waiting for Hey Dave. Okay, if I stop it a bunch of times, if I stop it a bunch of times, okay, it should have saved. And now when I reload it, it should remember that I just asked it about a pen. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Hey Dave. Wait, what did I just ask you about?
Memory like a sieve, eh, mate? You were just chatting about that famous pen of yours. Need me to remind you again?
Yes, I did need you to remind me again.
All right. You asked me about the bloomin' pen. Remember Bow Einstein? What's next to be forgotten?
And that's that. Awesome. Let's go. I think I'll just stop it with the thing. So it's very smart with lots of things, but can still make mistakes. It's getting close to being a human then. Yeah, I guess so. It doesn't have the movement of a human, like it's not very strong and stuff, but yeah. What is your end goal with Dave? I honestly think it's just cool, and a lot of other people will find it cool to look at. So that's mostly like entertainment and like open sources as well. Okay, nice. So that was that. Thank you very much for watching. I might be live this afternoon, and otherwise I'll be live another time. So yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. I need to go to the stream automation tab. And let's disable this. Thank you very much. Goodbye.